talked about the income reporting requirements, let's talk about the information returns. And again, I'm going to limit myself to the most common information returns, simply because otherwise we'll be talking about it for quite a while, longer than the time allotted to me. The most dangerous and the most important information return that exists is FBAR. How many people here have heard of FBAR? Okay. FBAR is Report of Foreign Bank and Financial Accounts. FIN's official name is FinCEN Form 114. Used to have a very lovely name, TDF 19-22.1. Let's see, the FinCEN Form replaced TDF 19-22.1 about 3 years ago, but I still remember it, and I can say it without hesitation. That's how impressive, how impressed this form was, how impressive this form was really written. Why is it so important? Well, if you look at your handout to the right-hand side where I list the penalties, it becomes very clear why compliance with this form is a centerpiece of U.S. tax compliance efforts. Actually, U.S. tax enforcement efforts are focused on this one. But very few people know that FBAR is actually not a tax form in of itself. It comes from Title 20-31, Secret Bank Secrecy Act, that was passed in 1970. The Internal Revenue Code is Title 26, and that partially explains why the penalties are so high with respect to the FBAR. Because originally it was meant not to fight tax evasion, but to fight money laundering and financial crimes. So the penalties are there naturally associated with criminal activities. But what happened after 2001 is that the function of enforcing the FBARs was turned over to the IRS. And ever since that time, the FBAR turned into a tax enforcement mechanism, and a very effective due to the penalties associated with them.